Welcome to Base.fun. This is a short tutorial that will show you how easily and how quickly you can make a coin if you're using a PC or a laptop. So of course you want to go to Base.fun and then come here to the top right corner, click on Connect Wallet, choose the wallet that you have, in my case MetaMask, connect, or if you have more than one wallet, which one to connect, and then to approve, which I did. As you can see, I'm connected now. And of course, if you want to buy one of the coins that have already been made, just come here and choose the one that you want to buy. But in my case, I want to make a coin. So come here and click on Make Coin. And this is where you add the settings. Very easily, name, ticker, description, logo and socials. So name, let's just do tutorial token. Ticker, we can do TC. So this is the symbol of the token. Description, this is a coin for a video tutorial. Do not buy it. There you go. Let's just correct. Now this is where you put your logo. So you can either drag and drop it here, or you can browse. I've already prepared one, and then here you can add the socials links. So Twitter, website, Telegram group or channel, and YouTube. And in the future we will have advanced options as well, but at the moment they're not needed. As you can see, the deploy costs are only 0.00035 of an ETH. I haven't made the calculations as yet today, but I think it's around $1. Make coin, click on it, confirm the transaction in your wallet. It will come up saying, hey, do you want to actually do what you're saying that you want to do? Yep, I do. Confirm. A few seconds later, you will see that my coin has been created. And now the tutorial token is live on Base.fun. As you can see, there's nothing to show on the chart as yet. There are no buys. But I can buy or I can sell here. This is the logo of my tutorial token. You can see who created it, with the wallet address. There's no hold distribution because no one has bought it yet. And of course, there's a place where there's a thread. You can post a reply, you can start, and also the trades that have happened. Again, nothing has happened as yet. If I want to buy some of my tokens, I simply come here and you can see I've got 0.006 ETH. Why don't I do 0.001, and I will get 984,963 tutorial tokens. Click on buy token, and again confirm the transaction in your wallet. And yep, it's all good. Cost 5 cents for this transaction in gas fee. It's nothing. A few more seconds. The first transaction has happened. Someone, which is me, has just bought 985,958 tutorial tokens, and you can see the market cap here now. And when this reaches about $69,000 in market cap, liquidity is automatically sent to Uniswap and the token is tradable there. Now, if I go back to the home page, you can see that my token is now here at the top because it's the last one that has been interacted with or someone has bought. I hope no one else buys it, and I actually wrote it there. But guys, this is how easy it is to make a coin on Base.fun. You know, think of something, think of something that will be catchy, something that you would buy, and all the best to you.